Want to learn how to make an autoimmune protocol meal plan? Watch this video to learn my foolproof method. For the best meal planning tips and to be notified every Tuesday when I post a new video, hit the bell to subscribe. Hey meal preppers, it's Allison, Prep Dish founder, here to help you create a happier, healthier mealtime. Today, we are discussing my favorite topic, meal planning. I promise to show you how to create an AIP meal plan using the same method I use when creating meal plans every week for my thousands of subscribers. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 steps for creating a meal plan. The first step is the meal count. So grab your calendar and count how many meals you will need for the week. Don't forget to include breakfast and snacks. You'll also want to count the number of servings you need for each meal, including any guests that might be joining. During this step, you'll also want to check your fridge, freezer, and pantry for any existing meals that you can subtract from your meal count. So step 2 is to focus on approved foods. So this step is important for both your AIP menu plan success and for keeping a positive mindset. So my advice is to only look at foods that you can have instead of looking at foods you can't have, like tomato sauce, sweets, etc. Don't try and force foods to work within your plan if they're not going to fit. The autoimmune protocol diet can seem restrictive, but by focusing on the AIP approved foods and recipes, it shifts the focus onto all the tasty foods that you can have. Also note that AIP diet plans might vary slightly, so make sure you're referencing an approved list for your specific plan. I suggest having an extensive list of AIP protocol foods that you can select from. You may want to remove any foods you don't care for from that list, so when you review this list, it's only foods that you enjoy. Step 3 is selecting the recipes. This is the fun part. So there's 2 ways I suggest doing this. The first method is to simply select a protein plus 1 to 2 veggies that you enjoy from the list you created earlier. You can look up a simple preparation method for these items later on. So my list would include Chilean sea bass with Brussels sprouts and sweet potato, or chicken thighs with cauliflower and Swiss chard, or steak with asparagus and a side salad. And as I mentioned earlier, don't forget to select an AIP breakfast option. I usually just do 1 or 2 options for the whole week. The second method is to find AIP diet specific recipes. This is key. I find that sticking to recipes that are already approved versus trying to force a non-compliant recipe into your meal plan is so much easier. So here's 3 bonus tips when selecting your recipes. 1 is to check the weather. I always like to include soup if rain is in the forecast. The second is to know your seasons and select vegetables based on what is currently in season. And the third is to implement theme nights. This means you're not starting from scratch every time you go to create your meal plan. So for example, you might do a stir-fry Saturday or a taco Tuesday. For any of these theme nights, I like to do a build your own style, so that way everyone in the family can choose what they want to put into their meal. After this step, you should know the meals that you plan to make for the week. Step number 4 is the grocery list and shopping. In this step, you'll make your AIP grocery list by taking the ingredients from each recipe and meal in the previous step and forming these into a consolidated list. After making your list, quickly review the items to ensure everything is compliant with your autoimmune diet plan. From here, you will purchase your groceries. Consider doing a grocery delivery or curbside pickup to save time. Step 5 is optional, but it's my favorite, and that is meal prep. After you have the groceries, this would be doing things like chopping the vegetables, mixing up any seasonings or sauces. Meal prep happens to be my specialty. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a video on AIP meal prep. Now you know my method for creating an AIP meal plan. If you're looking for done-for-you meal plans, I've got you covered. Check out the link below. Each week of my meal plans includes AIP recipes, plus an organized grocery list, plus specific instructions for meal prepping the recipes ahead of time. My goal with these meal plans is to save you time and make following an autoimmune protocol easy. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friend, and hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this one. See you in the next one.